Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. Have you ever seen the anime Ascendance of a Bookworm before? If not, you should check it out because it is a very cute anime about a book-loving woman that reincarnates into another world without books and without other things like pound cake. So in this video, I am showing you how I made this delicious lemon pound cake inspired by that anime. I added a few staple ingredients in a mixing bowl and mixed everything well together. For the lemon ingredient, I used lemon curd, and for the flour, I used almond flour, so technically this recipe is gluten-free. After everything was mixed well, I poured the batter into a 8x3 loaf pan and baked the lemon pound cake in a convection oven until a toothpick came out clean. So once the lemon pound cake cooled completely, I decorated the top with buttercream frosting. I used a Russian piping tip to create the blue flowers on top of the pound cake. This pound cake is moist, tasty, and super delicious. If you like lemon-flavored desserts, then I highly recommend this recipe. So have you ever had lemon pound cake before? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and have a sweet day.